Imagine having all of this natural beauty right at your doorstep. You're literally living on the banks of the Humber River in the upscale South Kingsway community of Etobicoke. Now, right across the river, right over there, is the prestigious River House condos at 30 Old Mill Road. This location is perfect if you want all of this, right in your backyard. I'll see you there shortly. This location is incredible. You're right across the street from the historic Old Mill. It's right there. And you're a short 5-minute walk to Old Mill subway station. It's right over there. You're also walking distance to Bloor Street West with great restaurants, shops, bars, you name it. It's all right here, right at your doorstep. You want to see the unit? Let's go inside. Follow me. 30 Old Mill Road, Suite 311 is the perfect home in the perfect location. It's time for you to get living and live a great story.